What's up guys, welcome to another video. So glad to see you guys back here. Before I start, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell if you haven't already. Today I'm gonna show you how to turn a boring drone footage like this one into something awesome like this one. Cue the intro! Yes guys, as you can see, I have opened Premiere Pro with my drone footage that I want to edit. Before I begin, I just want to say make sure you record your drone footage at 2.7K or at 4K and use a sequence settings of 1080p. Later on, you're gonna want to crop in or zoom in the footage or scale it up. And if you record this footage in 1080p, when you zoom in or scale it up, you're gonna lose quality in the footage. So it's better to record at 2.7K or at 4K. Let's begin by dragging this clip onto our timeline here. It's gonna ask you to change sequence to match the clip settings. I don't want that. I'm just gonna choose keep existing settings. I'm gonna right click on this clip and then select set to frame size. What I'm gonna do next is turn on the save margins. If you don't see this button down here, go to button editor and then click on save margins and then click OK. Next, I'm gonna go to effect controls, click on the clip and then drag it a little bit down. Then I'm gonna duplicate this clip by clicking on option and then dragging this clip up. Click on the second clip, go to effect controls, click on rotation, fill in 180, so it's gonna flip it upside down. Go to position, drag it up. And then I'm gonna go to the opacity tab, click on the square to draw a mask, drag it to here. Make sure the mask is bigger than your screen. So drag the points out of your screen like so. Click on invert it, drag that mask down till you don't see the top part of the clip that's upside down. And then you're gonna increase the mask feather. So the bottom clip and the top clip, the skies are gonna be like matching. So you won't see that harsh line of the clips. What I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna right click on the top clip, the second clip, and then I'm gonna go to speed and duration. And then I'm gonna hit reverse speed and then OK. So the top clip and the bottom clip are gonna move in opposite direction. So it's gonna give you like a 3D effect to it. When I'm done doing this, I'm gonna select these two clips, right click and then hit nest. When it's done nesting the sequence, I'm gonna select the nested sequence, go to rotation, toggle on animation, go to the end of the clip, almost at the end, and then I'm gonna make it rotate like 10 degrees. As you can see, the footage is not filling the whole frame, so I'm gonna scale it till it fills up the whole frame. When I drag it to the beginning of the clip, there's a lot of the footage that falls out of the frame, so I'm gonna go back to the footage and then drag this a little more further up and drag the top clip a little more further down. As you can see guys, the clip is looking pretty good already. It's looking a little bit shaky and it's a little bit too slow for me. So I'm gonna stabilize the footage and then make it go even faster. To do so, I'm gonna go to the effects tab, go to effects and then search for warp stabilizer VFX, drag it to this clip. It's gonna analyze the footage and then stabilize it. It's done stabilizing the footage. Now I'm gonna change the speed of this clip. To do so, I'm gonna have to nest this clip first because you cannot change the speed and stabilize the footage on the same clip. Right click on that nested clip, go to speed and duration. It's 9 seconds now. I want it to be like 5 seconds, so I'm gonna make the speed 175. Time interpolation, I'm gonna select optical flow to make it go even smoother. Okay, let's see how it looks. Yes, it looks much better. As you can see guys, it is pretty simple and it doesn't take too much time to turn a boring drone footage into something very epic. That's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like, comment down below, let me know what you thought of the video. If you have another way to do this effect, let me know also in the comments. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any other new video. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, those are in the description, and I'll see you guys next week in the next Tutorial Tuesday. Bye guys!